In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the education module in ERPNext. So let's dive right in and get started. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to the Frapp Cloud dashboard. To do this, open your web browser and visit frappcloud.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account. If you already have an account, simply enter your credentials and you should be all set. If not, make sure you sign up for an account to proceed further. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. Here, you'll see a list of all your sites hosted on Frappy Cloud. Now, take a moment to find the site where you'd like to install the education module. Once you've identified it, click on that particular site. This will take you to the site's dashboard, where all the installation and configuration options are available. Next, direct your attention to the Actions menu. It's typically found at the top or side of the page, depending on your interface setup. Click on Actions, and from the drop-down menu, select Install App. This opens up a list of available applications that can be installed for your site. Here, you can either scroll through the options or use the search bar to find the education module more quickly. Just type in Education, and it should appear in the list. When you've located the education module, click on Install. A confirmation prompt may appear, just to ensure that you haven't clicked by mistake. If you're certain, go ahead and confirm the installation. At this point, Frapp Cloud will take over and handle the installation process for you. Just wait a few seconds while everything gets set up. The cloud system is quite efficient, so you won't be waiting long before everything is ready to go. Once the installation process is complete, you'll need to log into your ERPNext site to check things over. To do this, visit the URL of the specific site where you've just installed the module. When the site loads, look at the sidebar. You should see a new addition to your modules list. Yes, right there, you'll find the education module. It's now integrated and ready for you to use. And there you have it. You've successfully installed the education module in ERPNext. This module opens up a variety of features aimed at managing educational institutions, such as managing courses, admissions, and student enrollments. Feel free to explore these new options and tailor them to your institution's needs. Thanks for following along, and I hope this walkthrough has been helpful. Happy exploring, and see you in the next video.